Most cardiac arrests happen in the home, and so the chance of you having to do CPR is likely on a loved one. So the gift is being able to potentially save the life of someone you love.
The machine tells you if you push too hard, too light, and if you put it at the right tempo. I mean, I love it, and I need more practice because I want to do it right.
So CPR Anytime Kits is another thing that the elves from the American Heart Association came up with, and it was to help people at home learn this life-saving skill for their friends and family.